2, 3. This people's favorite part. But my favorite part is cutting it on. I'm about to cut it on. In 3, 2. Ooh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I see that. Okay. Hi.
Your night. Jazz, your night. Jazz, your night. Jazz, your night. Jazz.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazmine. Tania by the title of this video. Y'all know what I'm doing. Y'all know it while y'all here. Y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all see the title. Let's get into the video. Alright, y'all. So it came in this little box. Just like this. It's weird, right? It ain't thicker than nothing. It ain't no big box. None of that. It came like this. So I got cases. Y'all know that. Screen protector, of course. And that's it. Y'all know my birthday coming up. My birthday in like 10 days. Today is the 25th, and my birthday is the 6th, as y'all know. Let's get into it. Okay. I got my fan on, so the noise that y'all hearing is the fan, cause it's hot. But okay. These are the cases that I have. So I like this one. It's cute too, but you know, I like pink, you know. But yeah, these are the cases. These cases are from Velvet Caviar. This is not no sponsor video, but y'all should sponsor me one day, okay? Period. But alright, y'all, let's get into what y'all been waiting on. I just wanted y'all to see the cases, and this is it. So let's go. Alright, y'all, let's open this. I feel like I've been talking for a long time, but if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Gang. And yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be somewhere in the screen. And yeah, let's get to this video for real. Okay, so y'all, here we go. It came in this box, and yeah, just see how little this box is. This could have got lost on my porch, but this is what it came in. So let's get into the video. Let's open it. And yeah, how do you open it? It's weird packaging. Let me see that. I'm struggling to open it. Let me see, bro. Oh, it's a so it's a thing right here that you can peel. I did not see that. Okay, because I was struggling. I'm like, how do I open it? But here we go. It's the moment. This is the moment of truth, y'all. Okay, I'm nervous. Why? I don't know. Okay. Ooh, it came like this, just like this. It came in a box, just like this. Time to take it out. Y'all, this is exciting. Okay, so this is the 14 Pro Max. Time to peel this thing off in the back. Okay. People be saying that's their favorite part, and I don't understand why. My favorite part is turning it on. You feel me? Okay. Okay. Don't mind my nail. It literally just broke off today, but it's cool. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Y'all can see before me how it look. Whoa, damn, that's fat. What the heck? Ooh, ooh. Ah. Okay, the cameras are already like my first glimpse. Fat. They're fat. Y'all know what comes in the box. Charger, sticker, and then the information stuff. Y'all know that. Y'all ready for this comparison real quick? Okay, so this is the 13 Pro Max. This is the 14 Pro Max. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the camera sizes, these are huge. Huge. They are the same size. The 13 Pro Max is heavier though. This is light. This is lighter. The cameras are fatter on here, like super fat. And yeah. Whew, okay, let's rip this open. You ready? This people's favorite part. But my favorite part is cutting it on. Okay. Ooh, it looks so nice. I can see it already. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see the dynamic island. I'm about to cut it on in 3, 2, 1. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Cause I see that. Y'all see that? Cause I see that. Y'all see that? Ah! Okay. Hi. So it looked like it's on like 75. All right, y'all, so y'all know this part. Basically, you swipe up, and wherever you're from, you click that, and whatever language you speak, you click that, and then yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So give me a second. United States, set up manually, continue. All right, y'all, so now it's saying set up cellular. So with this phone, you don't need a SIM card no more. Basically, it's like, I don't know what they call it, eSIM, but you don't need a SIM card. You don't need to inject it into the phone anymore. So that's cool. Less work to do. You feel me? So that's what I'm about to do right now, and I'll get back with y'all when I'm on the next screen. So in order to transfer, your phone got to be updated, and if it's updated, it'll say this. Oh, ooh, this. I'll get back with y'all when I figure this out. Give me a second. All right, y'all, so I'm at the quick start screen. So now it's got the orb showing. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but you can watch me unbox my case, and yeah, until this finished. So let's get into it. These cases are from Velvet Caviar. This is not a sponsored video, but they're cute and they're protective, and yeah. So let's get into it. This is the first one. It's super cute, and as y'all can see, when the sun shine on it or a light shine on it, it's gonna do that, which is cute, right? Even without the plastic wrap, it's gonna do that. But yeah, love me. But this is the first one. This was like, you had to get it. So pink with hearts. They remind me of the Powerpuff Girls. But yeah, and yeah, these are the cases, and I'll get back with y'all when that's finished setting up, because it's taking forever. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all. Hey y'all, here we are hours later, and finally make this new iPhone, of course. So I'm gonna do all this off camera, or I'm gonna time lapse it, and then yeah, I'm gonna put a freaking case on here real fast so y'all can see. They're asking me to add my card. I think I'm gonna do that later. later. Okay, y'all, so right here they was just telling me about emergency SOS, and they was telling me about crash detection. Continue. Finally, it's freaking set up. Y'all don't know how long this took. This took like forever. So I'm about to swipe up. I didn't transfer everything over here because I want to do it like brand new. But But I'm about to put a case on here and my screen protector. Alright y'all, it's so plain Jane right now, but let's get into this camera, what y'all been waiting on. And yeah, I'm about to screen record for y'all. So okay, oh, it's at the top. It's like a little count. Y'all, I pressed screen record and it was like a little timer at the top. It was cool. Okay, let me go to this camera. Don't look at my room, y'all. This camera, ooh, it's just so HD. Let me cut my brightness up. Hold on. It's so clear. You can see everything. Y'all, you can see everything. Y'all see how crazy this look? Like the quality. Y'all see what I'm seeing? This camera is nice though, y'all. It's nice. It's nice for real. Ooh, it said it's saving. Oh, it popped up at the top. Y'all, okay, I'm gonna take some pictures for y'all and I'm gonna add them in the screen. And yeah, this is crazy. I don't know what to take a picture of. I'm gonna do my camera. So this is like from where I'm at right now. This is times 5. Don't mind my stuff because you know I just moved. This is 1. This is 2. This is crazy. This is 3. This is 4. I'm trying. Y'all see, it's getting crazy. Let me zoom in and land stuff. Wow. But y'all, I can't wait to get this phone together, and I'm gonna come back again and show y'all when I'm done because it's so plain Jane right now. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to join the gang if you're not a part of the gang. Join the gang, okay? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be in the screen right here or right here somewhere. But alright y'all, get ready for what's on my iPhone coming next, and thanks for watching.